Welcome to Skill Station 4. At the last Skill Station, we learned how to build a workstream for inspections, generate reports about the results of those inspections, and automatically send them to stakeholders. We also learned how to future-proof those reports. At this Skill Station, we're going to continue enhancing that workstream by learning how to trigger corrective actions that would resolve things that are out of compliance. Let's start by unlocking the inspection workstream that we built at our last Skill Station. Go to your Streams Management section of PulpStream, click on your workstream, and go ahead and unlock the latest version of it by clicking on this blue unlock button on your stream definition canvas. Make some comments. Now in your streams definition canvas, remove the connector line between the send report step and the end step. Do that by clicking on it with your mouse and pushing the delete button on your keyboard. Now up in your navigation menu, you'll see a Smart Steps pull-down menu. Click on that to reveal new steps you can use to customize your workstream. Drag the one called Trigger Corrective Action Tasks onto your canvas. And in the pop-up menu, we'll start here on the General tab. On it, you'll see fields that allow you to set a due date and assign tasks to someone. The Assign To drop-down menu has a few options worth discussion. Use owner specified in a checklist. This option will send the task to an owner that was specified in a checklist. User present in a field. You can always create a user field on your inspection data component and put it on your form, which will make it available here in the second pull-down menu that pops up. Specified here. This hard codes the person who will always own corrective action tasks. So for example, if I wanted to always own all of the corrective action tasks and I had already been added as a member of a certain group, my information would populate here. Record creator. Now use this option to always request action from the person who created your inspection record. For our purposes today, we want to select use date specified in a checklist, and we also want to use the owner specified in a checklist. Let's configure the workflow to escalate a task to the next level. Click on the Escalations tab. This is where we will declare the conditions that will send reminders based on due dates. We want to automatically email the person who needs to take action to correct something that was not in compliance. So we're going to create a condition that triggers a reminder 3 days after the task due date. 3 days after the task due date. Next, we need to set an escalation action that emails the task owner. So use the task assigned notification email template here. Save your changes and go back to your stream definition canvas. Now that we've configured our corrective action tasks, we need to connect it to the send report step as well as the end step here. So we're going to rearrange our workflow so it's a little more organized. For end step down here, and to connect steps, you hover your mouse over the step to reveal the arrow. Click on that and then drag a line down to the step that you want to connect it to. Save your changes. We've edited our workstream. Now we need to test our changes. So we'll click on the Stream Records tab. On the right side of the screen, there's a gear icon under the word action. Click on the gear and restart that process. Yes, that's fine. That resets the record. You can see how adding that step to the stream has altered it in a few ways. If you're working from a desktop computer, you can go to your records to see the change in the step of work you're in within the workstream. So click on Submitted by You and click on the record that you created earlier when you tested your workstream. On the Activity tab, you can see all the activities related to this record. You'll also notice that it is now in process and the status color indicator is blue. So you can click on the Tasks tab to see who it has been assigned to. You can find notes, due dates, and details here. And of course, a consolidated list of corrective actions is going to be sent to each owner via email. That's all for this skill station. At the next station, we're going to learn how to assign quality scores to quantitatively measure performance.